We understand that communication between child and parent component in React follows unidirectional or one-way data flow. When changes occur, children always call functions reference. These functions are processed within a parent component, and if data changes, the parent sends them again to its children through props. Circular flow maintained in one direction. In this coding example, we will start by parent-child communication. We will show how a parent sends description to its child through straightforward data flow. Let's go into our project and run it. Currently, we have carts with products, but they lack product description, price, and add to cart. So, the description. To address it, we will need a new child component. Let's call it product item body. This component will be later called within the parent component product item. As we are using TypeScript, first thing first, we need to define types of our props, the data we want to use within our component. And we achieve this by creating an interface. We require a description, which is of type string. Now we will instruct our component to expect props in the format we define through the interface. Product item body props, and we know that we only expect description. Great. All set up, and we can start with the render. Normally we would use the div tag or something like that. However, since we are using Material UI design, we know that this section of the product card is already designed in the cart content component. So let's make a use of it and save a lot of work. It uses typography component, and within it we can call our description. Great. Let's check our website. Nothing changed. Of course, because we didn't call our component, we need to call it within a parent component, product item body, and of course we need to pass it required parameter product description. Voila, we have it. Only one small adjustment. Perfect. And that's it. Simple data flow which involves sending parameters, props, from parent to child component.